Jet fuel shortages linked to disruptions in the Strait of Hormuz have led to rationing measures at several northern Italian airports, including Venice and Treviso. And Friuli Venezia Giulia is watching closely as summer travel approaches.
We had no impact. Medium term, it very much depends on the evolution of the war in the Gulf. So we cannot predict this, and I'd say medium term we see no impact on the supply chain for our airlines. Well, it very much depends on the supplier you have. We have one company, Carboil, which is one of the market leaders in fuel supply for aircrafts, and they have assured us that medium term they see no problem. They have a variety of suppliers, including Eni, Mobile, BP, and they see...
We were a little bit worried about the flight being cancelled because of gas and all this stuff. In fact, I was like, do we have to pay for something extra? Are we sure that we'll be there? Should I buy something else?
I'm flying to Stansted Airport in London, and I'm not worried about the flights. If there's some delay, that's acceptable. The situation in the world is getting worse, and there's going to be serious delays in the future. But until today, I'm comfortable with that.
Yes, because we are not sure about the situation of the moment. We will see what will happen, but let's hope for have a peaceful period.